Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to find duplicates within a single column using a formula. So I have a list of ice cream flavor names in column B, and I have created a blank column called duplicate in column C. In this column duplicate, I will write formulas to identify whether ice cream flavor name is duplicate or unique. For that, first select the top cell of the duplicate column. Now insert equal. After that, type count if. So as we type count if, Excel already suggests us the count if function. To accept this suggestion, just double click on this function name. Now it requires a range. So insert the cell range, and as the range is fixed, so we need to lock it. For locking, just select the entire range and press F4 from your keyboard. Now insert comma. After that, it requires a criteria. So criteria is basically the first cell of the range. So in this case, the first cell is cell B2. Now insert close parenthesis. After that, insert greater than 1. So this means when the content of cell B2 appears more than once, our formula returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. So true means it's a duplicate value and false means it's a unique value. Anyways, to insert the formula in cell C2, just press enter from your keyboard. Now it returns true. To copy down the formula, just drag down the bottom right corner of this cell and it will return either true or false, where true means it's a duplicate value and false means it's a unique value. So if we want to display other messages than true or false, we need to add one extra function, which is the if function. Click on the top cell and insert if before the count if function, then insert open parenthesis. Now at the end of the previous formula, insert a comma, then inside a double inverted comma, just insert whatever message you want to display. So I want to display duplicate instead of a true, and instead of false, I want to display unique. After that, insert close parenthesis and hit enter. So as you can see, it returns duplicate. Now to copy down the formula, just to drag down the bottom right corner of this cell up to cell C15. So now it displays duplicate for the duplicate value and it returns unique for the unique values. Now one extra thing, if we look at this butter pecan, this is the first appearance of butter pecan, this is the second, and this is the first appearance. Now in duplicate column, our formula returns duplicate for both first, second, and third appearance. But what if we don't want to treat the first appearance of an entity as a duplicate? What can we do actually? For that, we just need to tweak our range a little bit. In our range, just we need to update the last cell of our range, and we need to replace the last cell with the first cell. So here our last cell is cell B15 and our first cell is B2. So we will replace B15 with B2. So I'm just doing that. Here, as we will copy down the formula, we need to remove the $sign before the row number. So I'm just removing it before 2 and then just press enter. Now copy down the same formula again and there you go. So in case of the first appearance, it returns unique, and in case of second and third appearance, it returns duplicate. So this is actually what we wanted. So this is all for this video tutorial. See you guys again in another video tutorial.